Transistor BC 547. 4.7K resistance. 4.7K resistance connecting with transistor collector pin. 10K resistance. 10K resistance connecting with transistor base pin. LED 5mm. LED negative side connecting with 4.7K resistance. Push button. Button one side connecting with LED positive side and other side connecting with 10K resistance. "25-volt 1000 ohm capacitor. Capacitor negative side connecting with transistor emitter pin and capacitor positive side connecting with 10K resistance. "3.7-volt battery holder. Battery negative wire connecting with transistor emitter pin. Battery positive wire connecting with LED positive wire. When push the button, timer start and stop automatic after 2 minutes.